Hello everyone. Here you see we have taken a flash LED and we have connected this with various components of this in this circuit. Here you can see that this battery is connected with a switch, and here you can see this is a variable resistance. That means the resistance can be changed, right? The resistance can be changed and we can control the LED with this variable resistance, right? And here you see this is the negative terminal. The battery is connected with the LED. You see this is a flashing LED. You can see various colors of this LED in this video, and you can control the amount of light, intensity of light with this variable resistance. Let's see how it works. You see, you can control this. Now light is slow because we have increased the resistance. You see, in this way you can control the LED in amount of light with this variable resistance. If you decrease the resistance, you see the light will glow more than before. See here. The intensity of light increases because we are decreasing the resistance, right? In this way you can control the amount of light in an LED or in different loads, right? Here you see you have decreased the resistance, right? Now we can control the speed of fan also with this circuit, right? Let us check whether we can control the speed of fan or not. Let us check. Here you see, if you increase the resistance, then the fan will grow slow. If you increase this resistance, you see you can control. You see, if you increase the resistance, then it will stop working. If you decrease it, and we can control the fan with the help of this. Increases, we decreases the resistance. That's why the speed of the fan increases. If you want to decrease the speed of fan, then increase the resistance. We are increasing the resistance, and you see the fan stops. Now if you decreasing the fan, decreasing the resistance, then we can control the fan with this variable resistance, right? That means if we want to decrease the speed of fan, you have to increase the resistance, right? And if you decrease the resistance, the speed of fan will increase, and it is working like a regulator, because we have used here a switch, a resistance, variable resistance. You see here. Not only that, we can also control the intensity of light with this variable resistance. Let us check with this LED, right? We are taking the LED and we can control the intensity of light with this variable resistance. Here you see, this is a flashing LED, and you can control the amount of intensity of light with this resistance. Now if you increase the resistance, you see what happens. You see the amount of intensity of light is decreasing slowly. Because we are increasing the resistance, we can control the intensity of light with this variable resistance. You see here, you control the LED's intensity of light. If you want to increase, then you have to decrease the resistance. If you are decreasing the resistance, you see the amount of intensity of light increases slowly. See here. You see the intensity of light increases with the help of variable resistance. Right? In this way, you can make various circuits. Right? Dear friends, if you like this type of video, please subscribe, like and share so that we can make videos for you with much more motivation. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If you be a member of our channel, then we will give you some viral videos which will be, if you make this type of video, your channel will be monetized within few days and your videos will be viral in few days. Right? This type of videos you have to make, only then your channel will have a promotion and your channel will be monetized. So be members of our channel. We have 3 membership plan. We have silver membership, we have gold membership, we have diamond membership. If you be a member of our channel, you will got many perks and benefits from this channel and your channel will be also monetized within few days. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.